Now let's see what do we find in not submitted reports. Let's click on the tab, click on not submitted reports. Here you can find all the reports that are not submitted by the teacher about the students. You can see the date, you can see the teacher name, the student name, the time of the class, whether the class was joined or not, and the lesson was taught or not. There is no report, there is no timestamps, there is no duration recorded. So these reports are not submitted. And in this tab, you will only find the reports that are not submitted. It's easier for you to contact the teacher and talk about the students. There are some filters above. You can filter out according to the teachers that this teacher, how many student has and how many reports she did not submit it. Then you can check according to the admin that under which admin the most reports are not submitted. You can check the reports by the month, whether the previous month's reports are submitted or not. If anything is left, you can even check by the student that okay, so these are all the reports of the student, like which date the report is not submitted, and you will have the full access and filterization very easily. This makes your work really easy to access, to talk about, to prepare a report as an admin, and to have a complete look as a principal as well.